So the beauty of it is that this relationship, because of this quality, will result in infinite growth. If you don't do that, it'll be finite growth. So what we see when we're talking to groups of people is we see there's a lot of people who are concerned about the sins of the world and their own sins too, but because they don't involve God in them yet, they do try to work through some of their sins and work through and progress with regard to some of their sins. But the net result is there's going to be a finite level to which you can do that, beyond which you're not going to be able to progress. You need to receive God's love in order to progress beyond those points. Now, of course, it's not going to be need, is it? Because it's going to have to be a desire, not a need. Not it's like desperate need, it's a desire to do it, a passion for it. So what I'm trying to do today is encourage you to have a passion for God rather than just have some feelings for God occasionally. Yeah? A passion for God constantly is going to result in the best possible outcomes. Yeah?